Hello. What are you doing?
I squeeze your head.
I squeeze your head.
Hey.
Where's the people? Person. Help me. Don't eat the people. People.
I can't resist.
Get here. Yeah.
You gotta bring him in. Look, you gotta do like this. No.
Come back. Hello.
Look, watch.
People.
See
People.
See, watch. For my new magic act, I would disappear.
Hello. I'm
No.
back.
No, you're not.
No. I'm coming. Hello.
Do you see that? That right there? That's the Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Get out of here.
No.
Come here.
Oh no, they're running away. Oh no.
They're running away. Hey, look, a person. They're running away. They're running away.
Okay, boys, I have to go to work in the morning,
Oh no.
so it's bedtime.
How about quiet time?
Not up here. Give us quiet time. Make me quiet time downstairs. Your dad's asleep. It's time to go to bed. It's 11 o'clock.
Are we in trouble?
They say no.
No, you're only in trouble if you don't go downstairs and be quiet.
Okay.
Okie dokie, boss.
Huh?
Okie dokie, boss.
Okay.
Dang right.
Hey, why isn't this one ended yet?
Huh?
Oh, they usually end faster.
Hello. Under the sea.
Could we make one more video?
No, it's 10 after 11.
What?
5 after 11.
It doesn't really
what the-
matter. It's time to go to bed.
Okay, dokie.
Okay.
Okay?
Why? Why so soon? Brayden, end it.
Shh. And that was our stupid grandpa saying that we have to go to bed early.
Early.
Bleh. The end.